Hey guys, we are back live here at Paz Auto Vlogs. I know it's been a while since I last uploaded a video on my channel. I know, I'm sorry guys, I never finished I still have those videos. I'm gonna upload them, trust me, but as of today, let me go ahead and cut it short. I have a 2000 Dodge Ram Cummins motor that we have in one of our bays today. And we're going to be restoring the whole truck. It got rust on the quarters. I mean, not quarters, rocker panels, rockers. And the bed has a few dents here and there. The doors, one fender has a dent. We're going to be respraying the whole truck. It's a nice blue color. It's the sport one. So that being said, let me go ahead and take you guys a tour of the truck. So here he is. It had the lashes here, or visors, whatever you want to call them, for the rock chips won't hit it. Took those off. As you guys can see, we already went ahead and took off the door, rear door, due to the rust it had here. We already went ahead and cut out our piece. We got all this brand new full rockers. You guys can see we keep going here. Starting to get some rust right here. We're gonna go ahead and patch that up. Spray the bumpers. Show you this side. This side is not so bad. Got a little bit right here. We're gonna go ahead and patch this up as well. Fix the doors. So right here I'm gonna show you guys what my uncle has done so far on the Dodge. As you guys see right here, we got the new rocker right there. Brand new OEM part. As you can see here, he's measuring. Gonna put the new inner pieces on the rockers. He already went ahead and cut out the old rusted out rockers, as you guys can see right there. Just coming along. We haven't done much to it on the body, but we want to go ahead and get all the rust out the way before we start tearing it down. So let's see what we get. Getting ready to move it to the paint room. Alright guys, it has come to an end with this 2000 Dodge Cummins. We just got done washing it, but as you can see, it started to sprinkle or drizzle. But we finished the truck right on time to at least clean it up and, you know, get all the dust off of it before the rain came on us. But hey, check it out. There's that one Silverado I have a video on. It's almost there. It's been a few months, but still need to do a few things to it. But here we're gonna go ahead and show you the Cummins, the results on it, on how it came out. We're just waiting on the customer to come and pick it up. Hopefully he likes it. I'm pretty sure he's gonna love it. This truck looks fantastic. I wish it would have been sunny out today for you guys could see it in the sun. But unfortunately, this is what God sent today, so we just gotta live with it, you know what I mean? So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace. So there she is. She's ready to get picked up and ready to start pushing snow, because this is a snow truck. Unfortunately, it's a snow truck. Beautiful truck, but in a few years, who knows how she's gonna look. But I did my job, and customers gonna be happy with it. And yep, so if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.